Hi, this is Jason West, and in this video I want to talk to you a little bit about using email templates with Kartra and how you can save a little bit of time by creating templates or using templates that are already provided within the Kartra system. So with that said, I'm going to quickly just go ahead and create a new broadcast, and I'm just going to type in anything there. We'll select no particular category. You do have the option to categorize all of your broadcast emails, by the way, which is quite handy, so you can keep a track of, separate businesses perhaps and separate campaigns. So let's go to create. First of all, you have to choose who you're going to email, and then we get down to the actual email template system. So I'm going to choose to send an email and then save that. Then you would choose your recipients. I'll just say like everybody, add, and then next. And then you're going to actually go into whether you want to create one email or you want to do an A/B split test. So let's just go a single email. Now, when you're first opening up this broadcast system here, this email broadcast system at Kartra, you're going to see this. This is just a bog standard email system, like a standard WYSIWYG type thing. No HTML or anything like that. If you want to start using templates, you need to click on this here, this radio button that switches from basic to advanced. Now you've got a drag and drop builder, and this is where we can access design templates. So they have full templates here for like a full email, lots of different ones, some really quite nice designs in there. So you need to have a little look through and see which one best suits the email you're about to send. Or of course you can build your own. So I'm going to show you how it works. So let's just pick a nice template here. Let's say this one. This looks pretty cool. So left click, drop it in there like so. And now you can get to work in editing this. Obviously this one's got quite a lot going on here. There's like a video there. I think that may be actually an image. We click on this pencil. Yeah, okay, so it's put it as a video. So with the video, you would go and select a video that's hosted on Kartra. That's how you would put a video into an email. And then it doesn't actually put a playable video in the email that they can play when they receive it. What happens is it just links to a page to watch the video, and you do get a choice as to where that page is. You can either link directly to Kartra hosted page, or you could even link to like this video but on YouTube. But the point is that it's a quick way to get that screenshot in there of your video, is to use an uploaded video that's already in the Kartra system. So the email template, like you see there, you've got like a logo. So to change that, you just go and upload your image, and then you can play about with the width like this, as you can see. One sort of strange thing, which is a little annoying with Kartra, is they don't have a central database of images that are used for emails. So if you were to repeatedly need to change these images and then maybe use them again in future emails, you're going to have to upload them every time, unless you save this as a template, in which case it will use the images that are there. So if we were to change this logo, for example, and then we get this email exactly how we want it, and then next time we might just need to change out a couple of bits and pieces, the smart thing to do is to click on this button here that says Save as Template. So let's just take a look at some of my templates in the past. So you can see this is where they'll go. So you'll edit any email you want, get it looking exactly right. And if it's an email that you can just quickly and easily alter in the future to make relevant for that email, just save it as a template. And then we go to here. So let me just delete all this off. I'm going to delete everything here. Just click on these crosses to delete any particular element of an email. So these are like the columns, so we'll delete it all off. There we go, blank. Now I have all of my own templates here, like you can see. So there's tons of different ones in there that I've created myself using the drag and drop editor. So let's just let me just have a quick look at this one. There we go. Let's drag that over. So this is one that I've created before, and it looks real good. And it's going to save me a lot of time now by using this template to go and create another email. So that's all that you're going to do. So that's the template system of Kartra with regards to email. To build your own, very straightforward. And by the way, you can also look at your actual email as it would look on a phone too. So let's put in a headline first of all. We've got some nice templates for headlines, so we'll put that in there, drag and drop, and then let me just go and have a look. What else have we got? Let's put some content in there. This looks kind of cool, so you can put it above or below. There we are. So when you see an image like that, all you do, click edit, and then you can go and upload it. And then what else have we got down here? We've got buttons as well. You can add, 3 buttons there like that if you wanted to. We've got content here, and there's lots of different layouts for the content to save you a bit of time, like an ebook download or a digital product. You can just chuck that in there like that, edit the image, and then edit the link very easily by clicking on there. Just add a new URL. You can change the colors of the buttons as well to match your brand. So it's pretty flexible. I'm trying to think what it is I don't like about it, so I can give you a sort of overview. Some of it's a little bit rigid, and the fact that you have to upload images each time rather than uploading them once and then keeping them in that central image database so that you can just refer to them each time you ever need them in an email. That would be good. Headers. So you've got some nice different headers there. And then you've also got footers and testimonials, countdown timers. That's a real good feature. So you can drag over a countdown timer. So if you've got a time sensitive offer, and there we are. And then now you can do an awful lot with the countdown timer. For example, they've explained each and every option here for you quite clearly. You can do a fixed date and time based on the send out date dynamic based on sequence subscription if they're in an email sequence. There's loads of different options, and you must read them to fully understand them because each one has its own intricacies, and you'll just find which one is the perfect one for you. Testimonials, they've got these kind of things here, look. So nice 2-column testimonials, or a big version like that. So you can rapidly make a half decent looking email with this template builder, and you can even change the canvas color. So if you want to sort of give a background to your emails, maybe in your company brand or what have you, and there you go, that's what it will look like. So that is the Kartra email template system. Now, if you're looking to save yourself an awful lot of time, I encourage you to check out my ready-made Kartra funnels, many of which have loads of emails included with them to help convert your customers. So a few of them here, these are our best-selling ones without a doubt. The webinar calls, selling funnels, strategy call, product launch. There's even full websites built out in Kartra, because you can do that now. You have the shared navigation and the shared footer, global code you can use across your site. So you can make full websites. And then there's some other really powerful funnels there, all of which will save you a ton of time and are not expensive at all. And they all come with full video training too, so I can help you to actually edit them really quickly and get them up and running for you. So check that out. There'll be a link under this video if I can help you out by giving you some of these fantastic funnels to help you get your business going. If you want to know a little bit more about me, there's also a link up there that says testimonials, and there's also some on my YouTube channel as well. So don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and if I can help you, click the link underneath. Otherwise, have a fantastic day.